Smoking Bears here with you. Getting ready to go outside and put the dogs out. You see them up there running. Getting ready to go out there and start this grill up. And so you can get ready for some dinner. You see, it's a beautiful day out. Beautiful out. No rain. It rained yesterday. So let's start with, when you open your gas grill, you ready to start it, make sure you have it vented. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It has been a while since I've used this thing. Has this happened to you? Let me show you how I'm going to fix that. Oh, that is bad. Okay, so this is remnants of I don't know, a project. That was a project that failed. So that'll go to the trash. That'll go to the trash. Here's some hickory wood or some sort of wood. I don't know. We'll get rid of it too. Ooh, boy. Let's pull these racks out. It's kind of crusty. We'll get those fixed. We'll get those fixed up. I don't know what the heck happened in here. Bird's nest or something up in here. Look, there's some all kinds of crud in there. Pull these pans out. Ooh, nasty. Ooh, that one looks pretty bad. That will go to the trash. Let's see. Let me this one I replaced not too long ago. So, all right, guys, let me get this cleaned out and we'll be back. All right, guys, so here's the utensils you're gonna need. So I pulled the burners out. Look at them. And then what I got is this little drill bit. I got the drill bit kit. I found the drill bit that'll go in there. Like so. Goes in the holes. What you want to do is just knock it down. These aren't too bad. Because I just did these like last year. And I barely use it. But anyway, you would just do this. Run the drill bit in there.
Can you get it?
Well, it's hard to do one-handed. But anyway, run the drill bit in there. And then all the way down. Standing it up. Knock all the crap out of it. Or you spend money on brand new ones.
Is that what you did?
Bought these at a last chance sale or second chance sale for $8. I got new burner covers. On sale, clearance out actually. Barbecue guys, we go to do all that stuff. And I got a thermometer that I'm going to reuse that I know that worked, because my thermometer over here with the grill not running reads 300 degrees. Got Linda out. Linda's my torch. Grill safety, always, always, always. This threads in to the left. And then always make sure that you tighten it up with the wrench. That way no gas leaks out and you don't blow up your tank or yourself. So back to this mess. All right, so this one here I just replaced about a year ago. So I'll keep it. These other ones, I had cut these out a couple years ago. We've had this grill about, I don't know, 8-10 years.
Since you've been
yeah. So I cut these out of a side of a drum and made them work. They worked. They served their purpose, but now they're getting replaced, trashed. So now we're going to scrape this down, scrape some of the loose crud off. Yeah, when we burn it, it's just gonna burn, and then trying to do this one-handed kind of stinks. But anyway, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to have Berica pull this bottom tray out. You're going to have her pull this bottom tray out of this botanical garden here. And, I don't know, bird's nest, whatever was in here. You see parts of the grill like falling apart. I mean, there's pieces of the interior, heat shield, whatever.
Kind of old, so.
Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna have her pull this bottom out and go dump it, and we'll be back. I just dumped this box out. It's got these pieces of new burners. Something tells me they're just not gonna work. So, back to the old trusties. Dummy alert, dummy alert. So, this piece here, this piece goes on top. Now they work. You line them up, put your screw in, and you got 2 burners. Ha! Oops. Read the instructions. Guys, Bear Cub's got Linda. Let's get her fired up. Turn the gas on. She has her on. There, she's hot. Whoa. Alright, Bear, looks like she's smoking. All's good. Shut her off. Shut her down. Cut the gas off. Yep. Yep. Squeeze it again. All out. Alright, guys. Let's take a look at this smoking heap. Ooh, she's hot from right here. See all that? So, we'll go get our wire brush or something, whatever. Brillo pad, and we'll clean her up. So you saw the flame hit right there. That's the probe. It could be why it's messed up. We're gonna put a new one in it. That's it, Bear. Yeah, it's broke, but she's got her gloves on. She's wiping, brushing her down. So we'll be back once we get it all brushed out. Here we go. We got it all scraped down. End up ripping that out. That pad out and just doing it by hand, but see, it looks pretty decent, pretty good. Yeah, you know, I don't have the bottom pan in yet. All that, so all that crap would fall to the bottom. So let's go ahead and get the burners in. Guys, so you see that spot right there in the hole? That's where this open burner tube goes. If it's an old grill, you may find it a little difficult because things may be bent up. And you'll know when you go to light it whether it's right or not. Alright, there's that one. Let's turn this one around. Basically, you know you'll have it when you go to light up, whether your flame comes out from the pipes or not. Okay, got one more somewhere. Looks like it's in there.
Yeah. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4.
So I got 2 of them. See how they sit in here? See how they sit in? We're gonna put these other last 2 together and get them covered. We'll be back. Ready?
Yep.
Basically, you got your 2 pieces. One sits on top of the other. Set it up to where it's lined up right. Pop your little screw in to hold it.
Don't drop
and
it.
Then a washer and a nut. Maybe. And then you do the same to the other side. Alright. And then it's as simple as tighten it up. Simple Phillips head, pair of channel locks. I mean, you could use a wrench or socket if you want, but use what you got. Channel locks are pretty abundant here at the house.
Aren't those the dinosaur looking ones?
These, yeah.
Okay, the dinosaur
Alright.
ones.
Now this sits right here, and up here you see the little holes from where the one slid in, the factory ones. These just sit right like that. So we'll get that last one put in, and then we'll be back. All right, Bear Cub, tell them what you're doing.
Gonna make the other one. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Heat shield. And you got Rex over here watching. He's inspecting to make sure you do it right.
Is that what Rex is doing?
Yep. This task is so easy a child can do it.
Watch him struggle.
Or an early teen. He's boom, Bear Cub still struggling.
Me struggling.
All right, there she goes. Tighten it up. A little tighteroo. All right, Barry, you got it. Put it in there. Slides it all in. Okay. Well, there you go. Oh, that looks good. All right. Well, she jacked up.
It's too short. It's fine. You can sit like that.
Actually, it's not too bad. It's pretty close. We just gotta loosen up a little bit and make it fit. But all right. Well, here's that. And you're gonna say, Bear, you forgot the spark igniter underneath this one.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, that thing doesn't work. Hasn't worked, and that's probably my third one that I put on there, and I just don't like them. So I do it the old redneck way and drop a lighter in there. But we'll be back. Here's a clip of Rex, the pit dog. Hi, Rex. Oh, good boy. All right,
Nice.
so we got to heat it up. As you can see, we got the burner on. It's running a little hot because my doodad here has a regulator on it, so it goes up higher or lower. So want it to where it's just a good flame on low. Let's kick this next one on high. See if I can get it to
Should I put the speck
jump her over. I want to get all of them lit at once.
That'd be cool.
All right, so now we got them all lit. We got them all up on high. We're going to do our little burn in. Set it on there.
Right, you might as well get it on.
I'm going to do a little. I just kicked it down low, and then I adjusted the valve, so I got just a little, mainly blue flames. Got a little tips, little orange tips. You can see my burners are pretty clean, so that's a good thing.
What's the difference between red
Okay.
flame and blue flame?
So when they're all blue, it means it's burning clean. There's not too much air, not too much gas, so it's
Okay.
burning clean. So
I didn't know that.
go ahead and spray her down. Be careful because it will flame up. All right, Barry, you get
Gotta
him.
be safe.
Well, oh, sorry. Woo!
That
what I
was
say.
a beauty.
Be careful. Go ahead and get the lid. Alright. I'm going to kick these back up to about half. To about half. Close her down and let her burn in for a little bit. Guys, so that's Smoking Bears. That's the Kenmore. The gasser. Got her fixed up, ready to go. She's ready to start cooking now. So you'll see some videos coming up with her in it. Remember, a family barbecues together. In this case, fixes a grill together, stays together. Have a great week, everybody.